Welcome to Nutri-Coach TV. Today we will talk about watermelon. Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing fruit that is packed with nutrients. In this video I will show you 14 health benefits of watermelon. 1. Hydration. Watermelon is made up of about 92% water, making it an excellent fruit for staying hydrated. 2. Nutrient-rich. It contains high levels of vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as potassium and magnesium. 3. Heart health. Watermelon is rich in lycopene, which has been linked to heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease. 4. Antioxidants. It contains antioxidants such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, which help protect the body from free radicals. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Watermelon contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. 6. Digestive health. It is a good source of fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. 7. Skin health. The high water content and vitamin C in watermelon can help keep the skin hydrated and healthy. 8. Eye health. The fruit is a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for eye health and vision. 9. Muscle and nerve function. The potassium in watermelon is important for maintaining proper muscle and nerve function. 10. Weight management. Watermelon is low in calories and can be a good option for those looking to manage their weight. 11. Immune system support. The vitamin C in watermelon can help boost the immune system and protect against illnesses. 12. Hydration. Watermelon's high water content can help keep the body hydrated, which is important for overall health and well-being. 13. Blood pressure regulation. The potassium and magnesium in watermelon can help regulate blood pressure and promote cardiovascular health. 14. Muscle recovery. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which may help reduce muscle soreness and improve exercise recovery. While watermelon is low in calories, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes, especially if you are monitoring your sugar intake, as watermelon contains natural sugars. Also be mindful of allergies. Some people may have allergies to certain fruits, so be mindful of any adverse reactions when eating watermelon. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, kindly follow Nutri-Coach TV on Facebook, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.